Here we are. Yes, you see right. We are going to open a blind box of unstable unicorns. Yep. I have played this game in the past. Love this game. It's a card game, and this happens to be a little plushie, and these are the ones. My significant other, he got these, decided to get some of these for maybe a D&D thing in the future, potentially. But here I am, of course, you know me, match my nails to the mystery. And he did feel to see if we won't be getting this one. So let's hope we don't get that one. Oh, this doesn't have the pull tab. Oh well. We just need something to open it with. So he's brought his handy dandy knife. Of course, he's the knife of the kniferstons. So as we open up this blind box, it says a vinyl mini series. Yes, so it's not like a keychain or anything. So we'll see which one it is. You want to do the honors?
There's a bag.
Yep, we open up the bag.
There you go. So.
And that's what the inside looks like. And it comes with this, which I'll open up in a minute to see what it is.
Oh, it's the one I didn't want. It's this one. It's okay.
That one's not too bad. That one actually looks kind of cool. This little blue to white. So it's like a pastel blue and white with a little bit of black accents. That one is, where's the box? There it is. It is annoying.
Stabby the unicorn.
Oh, Stabby the unicorn. Whoops. The one you didn't want the most was that one.
Oh yeah.
Which, good thing we didn't get that one.
Actually, yeah, that's not too bad. One.
They're all the rest are really nice.
Yeah.
Like that's the other ones. They all are these. Though the only thing about this one is it's 18. It's harder to get.
Yeah.
So these are the harder ones to get, and this one are the easier ones to get. I think.
Actually,
No, they're all the same. That one's the hardest.
Yeah.
They're all actually pretty cool, except for that chubby one, in our opinion. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna be doing pastel to a white and a little bit of black unicorn nails. And just as I was about to do my nails, I remembered that there's a card that this comes with. So let's see this. Of course. It looks just like a card. Ooh, it's holographic. Interesting. So it's like if you got a card from the game. So yeah, that gives you an idea of what the game is if you've never played this. I do recommend Unstable Unicorns. It's a fun game. So there's the card and everything. So now it's time to do my nails. As we do the first one of the main color of the unicorn, white, and then some blue. And I decided to use a hollow blue to bring that hollow that's in the card and all of that. And being the main of the unicorn of all. And now to kind of bring in that black, but to give it a horn. And I decided to do it in black, just to give it something unusual, but interesting. And then as where that knot was that's when I decided to do that. And now let's hold all that in with a nice thick glossy top coat to that nice French. And now to the next nail, which is the accenting nail, which is the whole nail that's white with a few coats, just like the other ones and everything. Now I'm just doing swishy swoosh. I thought I'd just do abstract swishy swoosh with the black and the blue on top of the white, just to give it that something that was easy but fun and nice. So sometimes I do that with my accent to make it easy for myself, because why not do easy but cool in the same way? Yes, the white is blue is thin, but it still looks nice. There they are, fully finished, looking good, to the accent not French and the rest French. To my nails of it all, blue and the black, going off that vibes of the unicorn of it all, and in the outfit with all this blue, some black, and some white. Let's take on that town and everything this way and that way. Oh yes, so coza-licious. That's right. That is right.